Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are the answers of a few MCQs relating to the atomic structures. First question is, which of the following set of quantum number is not permissible? And these are the few values given regarding principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Basic idea to solve this MCQ is value of azimuthal quantum number can't be equal to n, because formula to determine azimuthal quantum number values from principal quantum number value is n is equal to n minus 1 approaching to 0. If n is equal to 4 and we place 4 over there, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 approaching to 0 means these values will be 3, 2, 1 and 0. So answer to question number 1 is B. Because in this case that value is incorrect, because L can't be equal to the azimuthal principal quantum number value. Second question is, if the wavelength of green light is 500 nanometer, its frequency is equal to. Formula to find frequency from wavelength is frequency is equal to c by lambda, and that is the value of wavelength given. Wavelength is 500 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. And if we solve it, we will get that answer. So answer to question number 1, question number 2 is option A, 6 into 10 to the power 14 per second. Third question is, which form of the energy has highest energy? E is equal to hc by lambda. According to this expression, lesser the wavelength, greater is energy. So according to that option, answer to this question is option B, because X-ray has lesser wavelength, 10 to the power minus 8 meters, so it will have the higher energy. Then answer to question number 4 is, charge on 1 kg of electrons is, and options are these are the options. We are familiar charge on 1 electron is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of 1 electron is 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So 9.11 10 to the power minus 31 kg of electron as charge is equal to 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and 1 kg of electron, which 1 kg of electrons as charge equal to this one. So answer to question number 4 is B, 1.75 into 10 to the power 11 coulomb kg. Then fifth is, wavelength of photon is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Its wave number is equal to 1 by lambda, and value of wavelength given is 0.5 into 10 to the power 6. Sorry, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. If we solve it, we will get the answer 0.5 into 10 to the power 6 per meter. Similarly, we will interchange the formula. Wavelength of photon is this, its wave number is, okay, sorry, that's right. Six is, Paschen series of spectral lines is produced due to transition of electron from higher orbit to. We are familiar spectral lines produced due to the transition of electron from higher orbit to the first orbit is Lyman series, second orbit is Balmer, third is Paschen, fourth orbit is Brackett, and fifth orbit is P-Fund series. So if electron is de-excites from higher orbit to the third orbit, series obtained is Paschen series. So in this question, he has asked about the Paschen series. The Paschen series will be obtained when electron de-excites from higher orbit to the third orbit. So answer to question 6 will be A. Similarly, seventh is, which set of quantum number is not valid for an electron? Again, logic is same. Value of azimuthal quantum number L can't be equal to n, because if n is equal to 1, according to this formula, we will place 1 instead of n, we will get the answer equal to the 0. So correct option to question number 7 is B, because in this case L is equal to 1 is incorrect, because if n is equal to 1, L can't be equal to 1. Number 8, Radius of the first orbit of lithium is lithium plus 2 ion is R is equal to 0.53 angstrom into n square over z. For the case of the lithium, atomic number is equal to 3. We will place 3 instead of atomic number and we'll get answer 0.17 angstrom. So answer to this question is option A. According to the Bohr's atomic theory, the angular momentum of electron is equal to mvr is equal to nh over 2 pi. It is the postulate of Bohr's atomic model. Angular momentum of electron is integral multiple of h over 2 pi. 10th is indicate inappropriate set of quantum number. Again, if n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. So option D is incorrect because if n is equal to 1, L can't be equal to 1. L will have lower value as compared to n. 11th is which of the following orbital is of greater energy. According to the n plus L logic, electrons are filled in on the basis of the increasing n plus L values. Electrons are filled in orbital on the basis of the increasing n plus L values. If n plus L value for more than one orbital is same, then orbital with the lower n value is filled first. So according to this logic, 6s and 4f both have same n plus L values.